Ladies and gentlemen of the Total Debt Freedom world, Richard Cooper, your founder and CEO. Got a question that was sent to us on our Facebook page through a private message, and this person was asking about payday loans, and they wanted to know what my impression and feeling was on payday loans. Now, we've processed a lot of clients in our program that have brought payday loans to us, and we've helped settle them. People don't really realize how dangerous and difficult and expensive payday loans are when it comes to debt repayment. They're probably the most expensive and dangerous ones. I mean, you're borrowing against your paycheck. You get paid every 2 weeks. Most people get paid bi-weekly. And you're not able to wait for whatever your reason is that paycheck is going to arrive in 10 days, 14 days, 3 days, whatever it is, so you borrow against it. It's not always totally clear, but one of the risks are if you don't repay it, they have a wage assignment against your paycheck, so they can just take it off your payroll and get paid back that way. Now, the thing that you've got to remember, though, is delayed gratification is the most important indicator of success in human beings. They did a study of 12-year-olds up to the age of 32, so it was a 20-year study, and they looked at components of social circle, grades, extracurriculars, like what athletic abilities they might have had if they were, playing soccer or chess or whatever, anything like that. The ability to self-control, and I think there was another one that was based around IQ. And they found that the single sole predictor of happiness, health, success, and wealth from a 12-year-old to a 32-year-old in that 20-year period was simply self-control. Being able to control oneself and what you do with yourself, which is what delayed gratification really boils down to. We live in an instant gratification world today. Give me my Facebook like, give me my Instagram heart, give me my comment back when you post something on social media. It's like we rely on it for justification of our purposes and choices. You have to employ a certain degree of self-control in your life. If you're going to go and spend money on something that can wait 14 days and borrow against your paycheck, you're going to run into a nightmare. There's a reason why these payday loan companies make so much money. And they don't only just come in payday loan company forms now. They used to be called payday loan companies. Now they're short-term loan companies. Now they're small loan companies. Now they're micro-lending. It's all the same thing. You're paying a great deal of interest for the ability to borrow against your paycheck and hopefully pay it back at a later date. Well, it just doesn't work. I've seen it. I've seen it thousands of times. It just doesn't work. Stop borrowing against your paycheck and just wait for your next paycheck. Don't spend the money on whatever it is that you need to. I understand that there's sometimes emergencies. Sometimes something may come up that cannot wait, or you deem cannot wait. Hey, that choice is yours. But when you borrow against your paycheck at a high interest rate, it's going to cost you at the end of the day. And we've seen a lot of people come into the program with these payday loan type loans, these microloans, the short-term loans. Just avoid them. My advice to you is don't do it. Absolutely do not do it. It is always a path to greater and deeper trouble when it comes to debt. I hope that answer helped you. If you do have questions specific to anything in debt, credit, rebuilding your credit, money in general, leave a comment below. Give the video a like if you enjoyed it. Also, if you're watching this on YouTube or Facebook, please subscribe to the channel. And if you have a private question that you don't want anybody to see, you can always message us privately on the Facebook page by hitting the message button. Thanks for checking out the video today, folks. Have an amazing one. Bye for now.